AI that actually optimizes your ads in real time. In this video, I'm going to show you how the AI Ads Manager actually live in real time optimizes your ads. I'm going to show you a campaign that's a sample campaign just to keep protection of our current clients. But essentially, if you look at this specific example, this is an example of an ad that has been running for a number of weeks. So it's on week 72. And essentially what the AI has been doing is every single week it optimizes and generates better results for the ad. So essentially when you launch your first ad, what's going to happen is in the first 2 weeks, it's essentially going to be split testing and A/B testing your different content that you have on your ad, and it's actually going to remove assets that are not performing, and it will actually focus on assets that are the highest performing. If you have a creative bank activated, you will be able to allow the AI to automatically test different images and videos in your campaigns. So in this example, you can actually see the spend, the amount of clicks, the average cost per click, the click-through rate, the amount of people we've reached, how many leads we've gotten. So in this specific case, 1,500 leads, $3 per lead is what we've spent. And if you scroll up on the platform, you can actually see, so we can edit how much value we've generated. So you can edit the value of a lead. And when you hit save, it will actually show you what you've generated for this specific campaign. Then you can see your spend, you can see the clicks, the click-through rate, the cost per click, the reach, the cost per lead. You can download the leads here. So if you click download, you'll be able to download the list of the leads. Under the recommendations, if you click on recommendations, the AI is actually going to tell you what needs to be improved with this specific campaign. So for those of you that are unsure of where to improve, this section will give you the summary that you need to understand what to do. The campaign status, you can switch on the campaign and off the campaign here. And essentially you can then edit the campaign. So you can look at the ad campaign, you can switch it off here, but you can basically then see the budget and then the actual ad set settings. And then we've got optimization and insights. So in this case, the creative bank only has 2 images and 1 video in there. But essentially you can add different creative in that will allow you to actually let the AI do the optimizations. If you scroll down, you'll notice the AI is giving you a current roadmap of everything it's done day by day, and it will tell you increase your budget, or the campaign remains healthy, turn this into a performance max campaign. It actually gives you suggestions of what you can actually do for this specific campaign. Now, when you look at this, it will show you which ads were the best performing combination and what was the worst performing combination. Then you can look at the specific primary texts and what their click-through rates are. So you can summarize all of these. It gives you a benchmark of what each platform should be at, and you can see whether you're below or above benchmark. If you look at the specific images, you can actually see how many leads you've gotten from which images. You can see whether they're in learning phase or whether they're the best performing. And then if you click on optimizations, the system will actually show you how it's replaced old assets with new assets. This happens automatically. So if you activate Optimize for Me on your ads, it will allow the AI to fully take control and optimize your ads for you, allowing you to focus on building your business and other marketing efforts that don't really need every single day for you to come in and look at your ad campaigns. And that's really the power of AI, and how the Optimize for Me feature allows the AI to just do all the work for us. And this campaign is very evident of the system working behind the scenes every week, making sure that it's A/B testing and it's beating its original benchmarks. The system is designed to beat itself. And that's really what you want on your team. If you're trying to grow your business, whether it's more leads, whether it's more sales for your online store, this system allows your ads to consistently and always be optimizing, as long as you put in the information for the AI to do the heavy lifting. So under the optimization and insights, you can see we also have the audience, and you'll notice the audience location, which audiences have worked the best, and then any specific optimizations that have happened, right? So if it's removed specific locations or if it's added specific locations, you'll be able to see that directly in the system. Just make sure that your AI optimization is activated for your creative and for your audience, right? So once you've set up your ad, make sure you activate this so that the AI can take control of your ads and optimize for you.